Did you talk about the Susudo?
E chanitilo Akipi ne sado ikeshishakalu kwa abule primary kosorati district ne da abuikina eshakakangina aimara imata kipi Keda Ibaren.
Most especially our children when they are at school, this is the source of water they come and kill the thirsty from. And we are sharing with them. Even me, I took this water. One time I tried to boil, I had no borehole water. But the water is smelly, you cannot even take it, even if you have boiled it. It is having a very bad smell. So we really urge you, the government or some other NGOs to come and help us, at least give us maybe piped water. Because our school there, we have the maram, the school is built on the maram, even the houses sometimes they construct, that maram still makes cracks on the house. So we are really having problems even how to construct a water source. At least if they can bring us the piped water. So children always come here and they tell me that there is some part there where there is a very big snake.
Konye kansela loka LC5 attempt to bur Bob Owing ngesabu itorono kinikanwe chantilo Akipi lero ikiti esomero lo.
In a special way, I apologize to the children of Abule Tuburu Primary School of P3 who are studying under very hard and difficult situations in the tent. And I apologize on behalf of government for the children who share the same water source with animals. I am saying as a district councillor, we are working tooth and nail to see that before the end of my term of office, we have water here for the children and a classroom block, whether from government or from partners like Children Future Molders Africa.
Ekeonosnu kapakina da akorakina lelongetelo Children Future Molders Africa eshishakaluko P7 kanginam adomei kaiboro cheda itekiteda ainito ngina ibunit nakapielo yi.
Anabunere ne Bule Tuburu Primary School. Ananyu ni peroso eskapitini duelo P7 ai boikina ngito na bait kesa boikino lapa le bunichingon November. Mamne rageon ko nyilo senlem so ngadlo seno somero ai sankini duwe poni somare santa reusable parts nara dochu munjobe tapasaite iboro i periods no idwe lupe sure na kinte kesa nyonta lo so anyuno somero da mamelo sengare kidai aso manara bo adumle ngalao ke disapa okingangi na bagwela ni ngojo apadi abunere buntoro losoni Bule Primary School anwanyin be pesa inakini duelo P7 adomono asetin kala dum to kisa asetin adum ta rulas adum sa pens so la pesoro adomono apad anwanyin be idum te area te case ready and boy kin anyitna beta ajoun next month.
I want to thank you very much for this occasion and for this day, for having helped this school. This is the Abule Tuburu Primary School. Our visitors have brought us the sets, the pens, pads, pencils, and the rollers. And also, that was given for the candidates, but they have also given some other classes. And also for the younger children, they have given the sweets.
I am very, very humbled with what my brother has done. Special guest of the day, the P7 people. I declare victory to you. I declare success. No weapon of failure, of bad doing, of any curse shall prosper against you.
Relax Emi Alamu, Lama Kizito, Kanuka TV is.
God have helped you.